Hello, my name's Adam, and you're watching my renovation here on Iris Street. In week 125, I finished all the touch-up tasks recommended, and next week, first day, week 126, Barry's Drywall is going to come in and texture this whole place. So without further ado, let's check it out.
I start the week off by vacuuming walls, corners, gangs, and floors. I've created a lot of mud chunks and bits throughout mudding, and I want to prevent these from becoming travelers during the knockdown process, especially these little bits of mud in the gang boxes. There are still a few touch-up jobs left, but here's what the house looks like with the floor clean for the first time in months. The only thing Barry's wanted me to fix before texturing was to double the width of all butt joints. As far as mudding goes, this is about as easy as it gets. Tonight, I'm finishing doubling the butt joint widths for texturing. The idea here is to give a smoother blend between sheets. Butt joints add material to an already flush surface, so the wider you make them, the less obvious they're going to be. Now that all the butt joints have been doubled, I tackle what I hope is the final sanding of all this mudding. During sanding, I noticed a few places that I wanted to add one last coat of mud to, so I go room to room tackling this. I probably won't need to sand this final layer since I can get a very clean result with my trowel at this point.
Well guys, somehow tomorrow is finally the big day. Barry's Drywall is going to come in and do knockdown texture in the entire house. There's just a few tiny little touch-up jobs that I'm wrapping up tonight, vacuuming the whole house, taking all the light bulbs out, a couple of outlets that are wired need to be taken out, and I'll be ready to go. So let's finish these final tasks.
These Ethernet cords will be in the way for mudding and painting, so for tonight, I tidy them to the unfinished side of the laundry wall. After that, I move on to final vacuuming and light bulb removal. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. The next time you tune in, texture will be on the walls, so stay tuned for week 126, and happy renovating.